DC, going through 25,000, the fastest 1,000-point rise in our market's history. Just epic week, but we got to cover some of this, folks, because it could be, as you know, or if you've been a member here at TGO, you know that every pullback in 2017 was political, from fire and fury to Trump's a racist to the Comey memo. He's going to jail, by the way. I'll cover that. To the failure to repeal Obamacare, to the little hiccups here, you know, not getting, oh my God, we might have a couple no votes on tax reform. Everything was political, guys. So when you see this crap, this Michael Wolff, guys, first of all, if you don't know, he's kind of a fiction. He doesn't have the best reputation for telling the truth. And now today, after this complete shitstorm, of course, the liberal media is frothing at the mouth with all the dirt in the book. He finally, under pressure, he's like, well, I've said whatever necessary to get the story. He admits that he's not sure all of it is true. Isn't that a disgrace, folks? So, which parts are not true in this tell-all book about Trump? It's a distraction. The president acting like a 5-year-old does not make me happy. He giving, saying I'm going to sue you or giving this guy a platform. That's why he's going to make even more money on the book, because you give this dude a stage. Here's the real stories of the week, folks. Senators have referred to the FBI and Department of Justice the first criminal investigation of this, quote, dirty dossier, the Trump dossier of the author. Wow. FBI, the chief FBI FOA officer. This stands for Freedom of Information Act. So the dude that's in charge of the FBI of giving to the public stuff we should need to know, you know what he said? Every single memo Comey leaked was classified. This should be breaking news on every network right now. You don't hear a peep. This guy who cleared Hillary Clinton of her emails and classified stuff and everything like that, no wonder he found her grossly negligent or not doing anything criminal, because he did the same thing, was doing the same thing. The guy's a dirty cop. He should be in jail. Under his tenure, they prosecuted a sailor who took a picture on board a ballistic missile submarine and sent it to his mom. Here's where I work. Jail. Under him and Mueller, they prosecuted not innocent, they did wrong, but you think that guy will serve a day in jail for doing what a sailor did? I have a couple buddies whose careers were destroyed for mishandling classified information. Animal farm system of justice, folks, where all animals are equal, but some are more equal than others. And you ready? Finally, the FBI is launching a new investigation into the Clinton Foundation. We know for a fact, folks, how disgusting and dirty these people, folks. That I talked about the Peref Foundation, the Parkinson's and Alzheimer's research that I'm on. 95. We have a 5% services management fee. 95% of your donation to Peref goes to research, training, all sorts of stuff. Clinton Foundation, 95% went to them and management fees, and about 5% completely inverted. They're dirty people. They all need to be in jail. All right. You got to talk politics, guys, because this is it's driving the markets. The ADP jobs number yesterday was blistering. Great ADP number. Looking for 191, we got 250. Today was a little bit with that number. The 148 was kind of a shocker. A little bit on the lower side. So employers slowed the pace of hiring in December, but they're still hiring, and the unemployment rate is holding at a 17-year low. That's pretty damn good, folks. As I said, this week, Dow 25,000, the fastest 1,000-point run in the history of our markets. That's a great thing. I got to tell you, folks, as Dow tops 25,000, individual investors sit it out. I have zero sympathy for all the people in this Wall Street Journal article. None. They didn't use their brain. They listened to the lamestream media. They listened to the liberals. They listened to Citi. They listened to Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, who said what? Hillary wins double digits easily. Trump wins, the market implodes, economy goes to zero. They lied. They were just like the FBI and the dirty cops. They were all on the take. So if you were a TGO, folks, 2016, I predicted that Trump would not only win, the market would have a rip-your-face-off rally. I was right. So if you were at TGO, you printed money. It was the best year in 25 years of me trading options. In my financial 25 years, a quarter of a century, we printed money. So excuse me, folks, in this article, I don't feel bad for you at all. It's your fault. Get up, get educated, stop watching the crap and the Pravda that's just lying to your face. 2018, I couldn't be more bullish on. Look at this thing. And when you see articles like this, what does it mean? Now these people are trying to get in and start trading and everything like that. Well, it's not too late. We're still going to have a great 2018, but now we're going to see more retail traders pumping money into this market. So, hey, man, we're heading higher. First time ever this week in the history of VIX, the SIBO VIX, was it 1993? It traded below $9 for 2 days in a row. That's never happened, ladies and gentlemen, ever in the history of volatility. So, and we know being short volatility was the trade to do in 2017. I would not be doing short. Don't get short vol. Goldman Sachs is saying the bond market and buying puts on the S&P relative to calls are the most bearish options flow. That makes sense. Well, this is hedging, and I'm not a real big bond trader. Here's the good, though. They're saying bullish on oil, staples, E&Ps, and financials. Well, we got a bunch of financials on JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, and our ExxonMobil trade is printing money, our Jan 20, and then we made over $10,000 alone in ExxonMobil trades in December. Freaking phenomenal. Apple got caught with their hand in the cookie jar. And we're starting to see a little bit of, we put on a bull put spread in our Analyze Your Trade session just now, and check your email box. We sent out a text alert, and also, so kind of a pre-earnings trade as kind of Apple goes into the holding pattern before earnings. But folks, you can't, a hell of a beginning. Look at this. There's 2018 in a nutshell. The reason I brief all this political stuff, because, hey man, when this hits this is, I want liberals and Democrats to keep going Russia, Russia, Russia. The more they say those three words, the more we find out how dirty everything was behind the scenes, even with the media in the tank for Clinton, the Justice Department, and the dude at the FBI that says, oh, he ain't going to win, and even if he wins, I'm the insurance policy. Captain America there was like, I'll do what it takes to. It's treasonous, folks. And this dude is going to go to jail. Christopher Steele being referred for criminal charges from Congress. This is the whole Manafort and General Flynn thing. General Flynn, three-star general, Army, served his country. His life's ruined because of this freaking probe. We're coming after you, Democrats and liberals, and we're going to restore the law of everybody's equal here. No more Animal Farm bullshit. Jim Comey, we're coming for you. You're a dirty agent, and I hope you enjoy your time in jail. Other than that, let's end on a high note. Great week. We had a one-day weekly options trade on Amazon that made about $1,700 in a day. So there's a, remember, folks, please take some of that and donate it to our charity. In Florida, indflorida.org/donate. Okay, indflorida.org/donate. And remember, I will reduce whatever you guys donate from your annual membership for 2018. So not only is it a great charity, it's a charitable deduction, and I'll reduce your annual payment by that much amount. So technically, you're making money on a donation, okay? And like I said, it goes to a great cause. All right, folks, I'll see you sometime on Monday. I'm flying up to Vermont. Shoot me, I know, but I'm going to go see Norwich University with my son to go check out the campus and meet the commandant and check out the Corps of Cadets. So I'll let you know next week's schedule as soon as I have it. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and God bless.